Before I begin, I'd like to take a moment to address the unsettling events that occurred yesterday when two members of the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department and an innocent civilian were victims of a terrible act of violence. While words offer little comfort at this difficult time, I'd like to express my sincere condolences to the victims' families. The Las Vegas community is grateful to these police officers for their service and joins their families in mourning their loss. I'd also like to thank the men and women of the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department who sprung to action following the tragic events, even after losing members of the law enforcement community. With that, Mr. President, I rise today to speak in favor of a fellow Nevadan's nomination that is currently pending before the body today, and that is Richard Boulware, nominee to U.S. District Judge for the District of Nevada. One of the most important and unique responsibilities we hold as members of the United States Senate is to provide for the advice and consent of the President's judicial nominations and subsequent confirmations. I believe each judicial nominee which comes before this body must not only be qualified, but also must demonstrate fairness and commitment to upholding the Constitution and the laws of the United States. In Nevada, it's critical for us to work together to find qualified candidates who will uphold America's principles of impartiality under the law. Richard Boulware is an excellent example of an accomplished nominee who should be confirmed on a bipartisan basis. I believe Mr. Boulware embodies the characteristics of a nominee who is prepared to serve, and that he will make an excellent district court judge for the state of Nevada. After sitting down with him and discussing his nomination at length, I found him to be an extremely impressive nominee. A graduate of Harvard University, Mr. Boulware went on to earn his law degree from Columbia University. He currently serves as Assistant Federal Public Defender for the District of Nevada in Las Vegas. He also has extensive experience arguing before the Ninth Court Circuit of Appeals. This trial experience, coupled with his impressive academic accomplishments while clerking for the U.S. District Courts, will serve him well on the bench. Outside of his professional duties, he currently serves his local school system as a member of the Superintendent's Educational Opportunity Advisory Committee. I'm glad to see the Senate moving forward with this nomination. Look forward to voting tomorrow to confirm Mr. Boulware's nomination to the federal bench in Nevada. And with that, Mr. President, I yield the floor.